Hey guys, this is Ian Jeffries with Team Legit. Today, I'm announcing that the Mini Drak is back. The Mini Drak is one of our all-time favorite aircraft. We've had the Nano Drak for a couple of years as the only member of the Drak family available. The Mini Drak went off the market in about 2020. We sold out, and we are lucky enough to have it back after a 2.5-year absence. The kit is fairly unchanged. It's basically another run of the original kit. Minor differences, such as the printed motor bracket. We have an aluminum plate, but a printed bracket. And then the accessories available have changed. But underneath, it's pretty much the same kit that you guys have been asking for. And once again, we have them available. Can't say for how long they'll be available, but as of right now, we've got them on sale. On our site, we have the basic Mini Drak, which is the fuselage and the molded 40-inch wings. We also have the 55-inch wire-cut extended wing kit. The extended wing set for the Mini Drak was pretty popular a couple years ago when we used to have these, so we have those again. We also have the boom kit for the Mini Drak, which is something we never had before. We also have something that I'm very excited about, which is the new Team Legit Advanced Carbon Control Rod kits. This is a component set that we've come up with basically over years of using different things that are out there. We wanted something that was lighter weight while having less slop or zero slop compared to things that we'd used in the past. And these sets fit that bill. We give you the choice of dual aluminum clevises or an aluminum clevis and a ball link. Regardless of what kind of servo you have, these things are going to be tight and precise. They also look extremely slick in my humble opinion. Then we've got all the replacement parts in stock, so your replacement coroplast, if that manages to get banged up or worn out, we've got replacement spars, replacement balsa. We're even now selling the wings and the fuselage as separate components. So if you bang up your fuse, but your wings are fine, you want to kind of renovate the build, all you have to do is buy a new fuselage, or vice versa. If you clip a wing and mess it up, but the rest of your kit is fine, we have just the replacement wings if you're interested in that. Laminate, of course, which is optional on the Mini Drak. This model is laminated here, and power systems. So we've got complete power systems on our site, right on the Mini Drak page. 4S system that's about 700 watts and a 6S system that's about 1,000 watts. This should push you well over 120 miles an hour if that's what you're looking for. Servos, this kit can run a wide variety of servos. We have a lot of micro sizes available, but the mini size servos are what really work well here, specifically the high-tech 5245. Yeah. Those come with an aluminum horn, and they just have really nice centering. They're great servos, and we have those available too. So everything just mentioned is on our website for sale, in stock, right now. Links in the description below, as always. And yeah, guys, Mini Draks are back. Thanks for watching.